I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Ssms and bringing up the Connect to Server window. This is where you begin. Pick the correct server type and authentication method, then enter credentials and click Connect. Once connected, don't linger, move directly to Object Explorer. This step matters because the server identity is tied to the active connection. Without it, you can't read the instance name. Make sure network access and basic permissions are in place before proceeding to inspection steps. Once done connecting, look at the top node in Object Explorer. That label is the instance name shown to Ssms. Right-click the server node and choose Properties to view the connection and general pages. These show the server and version information. For exact, query-based confirmation, run select at server name or select server property, instance name, in a new query window. These commands return the registered server name and instance details, which helps when names differ between DNS, machine name, and SQL instance. Finally, copy the server name you found and paste it into any connection dialog or register server entry for quick access. If you plan to connect remotely, use the machine name \instance or the port form host port. Make sure to test the connection immediately. If the query returns a blank or unexpected value, one key troubleshooting tip: check SQL browser service, verify the instance is registered, and run select at service name as an alternative. Often permissions or network discovery cause mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.